Good morning, I spy children crossing the road ready for school. Wow, it must be hot enough. Bodhi's not wearing a jumper. It is day 483 of Raising the Energy with the WCT. The sun is out today, looks not too bad. Certainly very warm in my hand. I am just off the phone to the doctors, getting an eye appointment for this eye. See what the doctor says about it today. So it was getting better and now it's getting worse. So Bodhi's making some pretty cards. Hello. And I'm making some smoothie over here. Got some strawberries to make up. I thought you might want to help me. Got some blueberries, some bananas, some apples, some kale, some spinach and some strawberries.
I think I help you.
You can help me.
I just want to press it every day that I do it. And if I'm not doing it anymore. Them.
There. Blueberries.
And that's blueberries.
Put the blueberries in. Whoop! My blueberry.
And that's right over.
Did.
And then there's some here now.
Then you put the apple in it. And 4. There we go. Right, that's perfect, isn't it? That's you. So you want to flip this one on first? Push it up.
Look! There's all those.
Right, then you put this one all the way around slowly. All the way around. All the way to the other side. One smoothie. Let's have a smoothie, shall we?
Never stop.
Honey.
I just don't. I need to be so careful not spelling.
That's right. You tell me what it tastes like.
It tastes like orange and apple juice.
Orange and apple juice. Wow. Well, there's orange and apple and strawberry and blueberry and banana and spinach and kale and seeds.
It's gonna be banana juice.
Banana juice.
And peel juice. Banana juice. Strawberry juice. And berries. And lemon juice.
Oh, that's right. Put lemon in as well, didn't we? You can hop in the side if you like. Into the doctors. Oh, there's a train.
Well, that's a big train.
There's a big train. Other bits in the house. Don't forget it.
I want. She says that's at the toilet.
Oh, he's going to the toilet, has he?
There.
Well, that's good, just like you. He's a big hippopotamus. That's right.
And the other hand.
Good girl. What a good job you're doing. Look at that. Ready? Whee!
They were so cool.
got them all over yet? Well done. What other ones can you move? That green one looks super hard. Right, in the car, heading away to see if we can find another pharmacy actually, because they gave me a prescription but I don't have what they gave me in stock. They've given me a wee gel to put on the bottle. She's not sure either. What's wrong with my eyes? She thinks it might be just a wee cyst that's under there. So, let's see if this helps before we move into month 2. I went and got you a lollipop because you very kindly waited in the car while I went to the second chemist and got some medication this time. So that's great. I now have some icky, gooey stuff to put in my eye. That's fun. Thank you, Bruce, for doing that for me.
No problem.
Can you see what? Yes, you can see when you put it in. Oh, and it was been snowing. I nipped into the second chemist without my jacket, just in my jumper when I came back out into the street. It was snowing. Crazy April. It'll be fine. It's a bit cold out there. It has stopped hailing for the moment. So Bruce is off into the city, get some work done.
I'm not going to go to the clothes.
Stay on the grass. Oh, there's Daddy going. Ready to wave? Bodhi, over here. Daddy can't see if you go over there. Ahead of the game, getting some editing done already. I am super pleased with myself. That doesn't happen very often. The sun's out at the moment. Hopefully it'll continue to be sunny when we go get Gemma. We've got, what, half an hour until we need to go get Gemma. Hopefully Bodhi will wake up on her own. That's nice over there. Because yeah, she's a bit grumpy if I have to wake her up. So hopefully she'll wake up in the next half an hour. Hopefully it'll stay sunny. We'll go get Gemma. Have a nice afternoon. Let's see what happens. Yesterday, Bodhi was running off. And she's been running off and she's been very naughty because you're also running across roads and you're doing things that you generally shouldn't do. Yeah? You're running away. Well, I said I'm going to get the reins out.
Why?
Why? Because the reins stop you running away.
Ew.
It means you have to walk with me, and I'd rather much had freedom. I have never brought them out with you.
But I still haven't heard them.
Yeah, no, I'd much rather she had freedom. I want her running around. It's snowing everywhere. It's 10 minutes to me to get Gemma. But yes, I would much rather you could have freedom to play and run around. That's fine, but you take it too far and you go too far away and you don't come back when you need to come back and you run in a different direction, and that's not cool. Playing which way we're going, that's fine. Okay? Do you want to wear the reins?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you do. I think you think it's a bit of a game today. We'll see.
But can I use it inside?
I don't like using them.
I do.
You do. Well, we'll try it today.
Hey, here comes.
I have one excited Bodhi on reins. It's cold. I'm glad I brought the hat.
Oh, yeah.
I was thinking, no, I'll just put it in my bag just in case. Hopeful. This way, please. Welcome to the world of reins. You gotta come this way. Come on. She's just running off everywhere. So much freedom. Oh well, maybe she'll appreciate it next time she gets it. Come on. Off they go. It's a big game. Come on, let's go. Okay, let's not encourage this.
I don't want the rain on.
You don't want the reins on anymore.
No.
Are you going to be a good girl and walk with us?
Yeah.
You're not going to run away anymore? Okay, good. I'll take them off. Yeah, I understand how we got here. My screen, Gemma's screen, and Bodhi's screen. Yay! You're still working at the same lollipop. It's a good day's worth lollipop. She did a lollipop today, she did. Because you didn't have to wait in a car while I went into the kids. We've got some waffles, some eggs, some mushrooms, some tomatoes and beans.
I'm getting Bodhi mushrooms because
Gemma likes the mushrooms, Bodhi's more a fan of raw food. Except for waffles, and you like egg whites and you like beans. You're a bit dubious about a cooked tomato.
Can I please get Bodhi cooked tomato?
I'm sure you can, but Bodhi's going to try it first. The cloud came to see us. We were watching this cloud move across the sky.
That's cool.
It is cool.
That's cool.
It's hail and snow all together. It's like winter.
What is happening? Is it going to hurt?
Is it hurting?
No, it's wet. I'm just going to get it back. Just stay on my life. Can you take a picture of me? Like this. And then, and then like put writing on it saying best day of my life.
Still be alive.
Yeah, and so, how long do you think this will? Yeah. I think this might take a long time to be over with. Because it's not that windy, is it? Wait, is that actual? Oh wow! This is like moisturized, isn't it?
Right, well I'm going in because I'm covered in hail
Wow.
and snow and... Oh, it's going down my back as well. Watching some Wile E. Coyote, playing some Play-Doh. Daddy should be home maybe in the next hour. Oh, my goodness me.
Does that scare you?
No, just made me think, oh, it's dangerous. Oh, careful.
Because I wouldn't breathe it in. Because that hurt someone if it went like that.
Maybe. Right, turn around. Yeah, kind of.
This is my Barbie. This is her. Hello.
A lovely Play-Doh dress. Very cool.
Look at that. Upside down at that.
Woo. Very cheeky.
Upside down at front. Upside down at that.
I like it. Very nice. Oh, wow.
Oh, she has a kid.
She got a key. Oh, look at this. Tied up. That's awesome. Why doesn't it have a tail? Hello, everybody. It is day 27. It's the 27th of April 2016. The 118th day of 2016. Woohoo! It is day 483 of dancing with us every single day and raising the energy and creating a better world. Whoop. It has been an amazing day here. Check it out in the vlog. The links will be down below there. Check out all the links in the description box. That's all there for your viewing pleasure. All right, let's raise some energy. Come on.
Where's the doggy thing? Where's the doggy thing?
Goodbye, Joe. Me gotta go. Me oh my yo. Me gotta go. Hold the hero down. Goodbye.
Oh, that was so much fun. Join us again tomorrow. Join us every single day. Dancing and raising energy. Love you lots. Bye.
Bye-bye.
It's time to end the vlog.
How clean are your hands, Gemma?
Really?
Oh, the different songs. Alright, we're going to end it here, guys. Hi, Bruce. Welcome home. Did you have a good day in the city?
It was alright, actually, yeah.
Excellent. Bruce is sorting out Gemma's evening 11 meal before bedtime. It's supper time. Harry Potter time. It's a success because last night...
Just fell
Because
in.
Daddy's awesome at reading.
Good.
I hope your hands are clean.
Last night, at the end of chapter 3 maybe, Gemma was saying, I just want to keep reading and finding out more, so it's doing a good job. Alright guys, love you lots. See you then. Bye.